Hello everyone, welcome back to the Excel 2016 training. In this video, we'll take a look at Excel extensions and formats. So far, we have looked at various features of Excel, but we haven't looked at the file extension itself, meaning when you save an Excel document, the Excel adds an extension to it. So we haven't looked at, at that here. So let us take a quick look at it. Standard Excel document, with the version Excel 2016, you have an extension of XLSX. Now, if you have macros in this workbook, you would see, M at the end, XLSM. And if it is, a template with no macros, it's XLTX. And with, template with macros, we have XLTM. So I would say, this S, and then you have T for template here, and then depending on whether it is with macros or without macros, then you would see X or M. If it's an add-in file, it's XLSA, and if it's a backup file, XLSK. And a standard Excel document, but this is for the version Excel 97 through 2003. This is where you have XLS. This is the old version of Excel document. Now, when does all this come into play? Well, when you try to save an Excel document, depending on how you started, say for example, you opened up Excel application and then you try to save, because you're saving it for the first time, then you have an option to save as any type of document. Or when you have a saved document, an existing document, you can use save as, and then you have an option to save as in a certain document type. I will not go through every option that you have in terms of saving a document, but I have handpicked a few that are very common in the industry, and I'll talk about that. When you try to save a simple Excel document, pretty straightforward standard Excel document, you would have XLS extension. It's a macro enable. It is Excel macro enabled workbook. If you want to save it as an older version of Excel 97 2003, I mean, why would one save an older version, especially when you want to share this document with someone who does not have the latest and the greatest copy of Excel, maybe working with Excel 97 or Excel 2003. You can save the document as that particular version and email that to them. You can save as an Excel template, macros enabled template, as an Excel 97 2003 template. You can actually save it as a text document, CSV, it's a comma separated value document, and as a PDF as well. Now, when you save an Excel, something like this as a CSV document, it's not going to have all these colors, all the font types and size and all that. It's just a text file where the values are comma separated. Now, let us actually try to save the document, see what kind of options we have, at our disposal. Let's say if I do this an existing document you can download from the website. You can do file, save as, and then in terms of here, if you do, you have a huge list here. So the standard one is Excel workbook, XLSX, and if you want to save it as a template, I could look for a template, Excel template, use this, and that becomes a template. Or if you want to do an Excel 97 2003 version, this is a template though, but this one here. So if you want to share your Excel document with your friend who has an older version of Excel, then you can do this one. And for a CSV, depending on Macintosh or MS-DOS, pick appropriate one, and you also can save as PDF. Again, it all depends on your situation. Based on that, pick appropriate one and try to save it. Okay. That's it about these extensions, and I will see you in the next video.